Welcome to Dragonfly Trading. Hope everybody's having a great Sunday. My name is Carrie, and I'm a full-time trader and mentor in the crypto and Forex markets. Today's video is going to be an update on Bitcoin and the DXY. No webcam today. There is so much sunshine behind me, you wouldn't be able to see me anyway. Free trial still running on the Discord. Come in, collaborate with us. We would love to have you. Just email me your Discord name. All right, let's get started. So we are still looking at the same exact counts we've been looking at for weeks now. The mega bull is that this wave to the upside, this 5-wave move, is going to put in a wave 1. That this pullback is going to be a wave 2, and that the 5 waves preceding it is going to be a wave 3. It's going to pull back for a 4 and then shoot to the sky for a wave 5. What this would make is the start of a new bull run. That would be a big enough wave that there wouldn't be any doubt that we would be back on the bull run. The not so bullish but yet bullish option is that the 5-wave move is an A wave of a zigzag, that we are pulling back for a B wave, and that what starts with 5 ends with 5, it is going to give us a nice high C wave. In both of these bullish scenarios, we do not want to come underneath the support that we have created, sitting at approximately 18,200 is the line in the sand that we don't want to break. That will not invalidate this being a wave 2 or a wave B, but coming back through a support and flipping it to resistance would not be good. Bitcoin can totally fill the gap at 20K. That would be absolutely fine. Just stay above 18,200. Now, when we're looking at time and pulling time from the beginning to the end of this 5-wave move, where minimum requirement is putting this B wave or wave 2 into March 10th to 17th. The 1.25 to the 1.33 is minimum time that it should take. It can definitely take longer. And then on the bearish side is that Bitcoin put in a flat here, and that this 5-wave move is actually a C wave, meaning that it's the end of something, and this start to the downside is going to move downwards, breaking this low, looking for a Y or a Z leg. Okay, so the lower time frame. We talked about in previous videos that if this wave could hold as a wave 1 and a wave 2, that we had several options to push to the upside. One being an extended 5th, the second being the start of the C wave or the start of a bull run. But as it stands right now, this bounce to the upside looks very corrective. So the chances of this low getting broken, which is the invalidation point, are very high. So at this time, I am very much leaning that we are starting our way down for that 2 or that B wave. This was a very complicated leg. It was very hard, Elliottician-wise, to break down. But I have come to the conclusion that this turned into a 3-wave move here for a W. This move to the upside is an X. And that we are in the start of a Y wave to the downside. I know that a lot of people are looking at this wave as a wave 1, 2, 3, potentially 4 and 5 to the downside. There's a problem with that we cannot call this 3, 3, 5. That would be a flat, and this wave to the upside did not come high enough. It didn't even hit the 618, is what I use in my system. So with that being said, I feel that this wave here will continue to travel to the upside, bonking its head on resistance, putting in a B or an X wave, and then this ABC leg will end up getting a partner leg to the downside, potentially taking it down into the corrective pocket. Looking at time again, we are looking at March 9th to the 12th to give this W leg its partner leg. When this leg is complete, I feel that it will be the first leg of a much larger correction, meaning that we will probably get a rally, and then this leg will need a partner, and then it could even get longer in time than that, more than likely bringing us down into this POC line, meeting the time requirement that we talked about in the previous slide. All right, the DXY. So I am very much leaning that we have put in the A wave. As you can see that it has hit the 618, typically pulling an extension targeting a A wave. The 618 is its target. So I feel the A wave is complete, that the DXY is in the process of making this B wave. When it is complete, we would expect a Y wave to the upside. I have broken this count down many times looking for an alternative count. And this section right in here, the way that it overlaps this section, very much leans towards this WXY. All right, so I see this move to the downside as a potential 5-wave move. If it is not 5 waves, then it's an ABC, but I'm more leaning 5. So what starts with 5 must end with 5. This wave to the upside looks corrective to me, but I do not feel it's done. I feel like it's putting in an X wave here, and that this leg is going to get a partner leg up to the golden zone. Then at that point, it will give us that partner leg to the downside, creating the B wave that we are looking for. So short and sweet, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you on Tuesday for Tuesday's live TA.